Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to see about migration and urbanization, geography, unit 4, term 2. Introduction. Rajesh and Suresh were new students joined in a school. They were allotted to section A in 8th standard. The class teacher and other students of class welcomed them. Teacher said, "You are going to have two new friends today, so you all introduce yourself to others. Say your name and place from where you are coming. Okay." They started from the first bench. Rajesh and Suresh were sitting in the second bench. Rajesh had turned to introduce himself. He said, "I am Rajesh. As my mother has been transferred to the school, we migrated from Chennai to Krishnagiri." Now Suresh had a turn to introduce himself. He said, "I am Suresh, coming from village called Pudupatti. It is 5 kilometers away from the school." "Madam, please tell me the meaning of migration," the word used by Rajesh. The teacher said, "Yes, from this lesson you are going to learn in detail about it." Next one you see migration. Migration has been defined differently by different experts. In general, migration is defined as the permanent or semi-permanent change of residence of an individual or group of people over a significant distance. So the term migration refers to the movement of people from one place to another. During the early days, people moved from one place to another in search of food. Next one, factors of migration. There are a number of factors which are responsible for the migration of human population. First one, ecological or natural causes of migration. Earthquake, flood, drought, etc. These events force the people to leave their native place and settle in the new areas. The condition like the availability of water resources, area free from hazards, pollutions, etc. attract the migrants. Economic causes of migration. Various economic causes determine the level and direction of migration. The availability of fertile agricultural lands, employment opportunities, development technology, etc. are some of the economic causes that attract the migrations. And social culture causes of migration. Social cultural causes also play some role in process of migration. Migrations of women after marriage and migration associated with pilgrimage or based on the social culture customs. Next one, demographic causes of migrations. In demographic sense, the population compositions like age and sex, overpopulation and underpopulation are the major causes of migration. Next one, political causes of migration. Various political causes like colonization, wars, government policies, etc. have always been playing important role in human migration from time to time. Types of migration. Migration can be classified into several ways based on the movement associated with administration limits. They are divided two types: international migration and international migration. First one, internal migration means the movement of people within a country is known as internal migration. International migration means migration that occur across the national boundaries are known as international migrations. Next one, based on the willingness of the migrants for migrations. There were two types: voluntary migration and involuntary migrations. And the next one, based on the duration to stay of migrants in the place of destinations. The three types: short-term migration, second one long-term migration, and third one seasonal migrations. And next one, consequence of migration. Consequence migrations divided in three types: demographic consequences and social consequences and economic consequences. Next you see Urbanization. Urbanization means refers to the process in which there is an increase in the population living in towns and cities. The origin and growth of world urbanizations are ancient period and medieval period and modern period. Consequences of urbanizations are housing and slums, overcrowding, water supplies and drainage and sanitation, transportation and traffic and pollutions, etc. Thank you students for your patient listening. Let's see a new class next week.